What's happening? VOTP News. We have a special feature today. We wanted to jump into Florissant, the great barbershop, great people here. I ran up on this brother a few weeks back, and I told him I was coming back through to get an interview because he does a lot of great things in the barbershop, as well as outside of these doors. And I just wanted to be able to highlight this brother today. Introduce yourself to the wonderful world of VOTP News.
What up, VOTP News? This is Stylist John, aka John B. Taylor II. Stylist John. How y'all doing today?
That's what's up. So talk about that barber lifestyle, my brother.
Barber lifestyle, man. I've been cutting and styling since I was probably about like 9. First got the gift. Started braiding. Went in high school, cutting my friend's hair. Went to school 3 times for cosmetology, barbering, and instructor training. And I love working with the community. I see hairstyles every day when I look at a person, and I'm always trying to make them look and feel their best. I love working with the homeless. I love working with the youth. I'm all about community, and I'm here to service you.
That's what's up. Okay, so one of the things is, barbers get more seasoned, those prices went up. Maybe like 20 years ago, because these are conversations, we used to pay $15, $20 for a haircut. Now, it's roughly about $45, $50, almost $100. Talk about, what it takes to really put in that work as a barber so you can command that bread, that y'all do now.
So what it takes as being a barber, first, it takes being here early and being here late. You have to have dedication. Without dedication, man, your industry is like, well, you got to do some push-ups. So every day I come in early, I'm doing push-ups with my craft, working tirelessly every day. There's not a person I don't accept in my chair. I always let people come in. Like sometimes there's people outside that might be kind of a little less fortunate. Come on in, I got you. Because when you sow good seeds, you always get a return. But as far as the industry goes, as far as prices going up, yes, because of inflation, prices have went up. So now your typical full service cut for a brother would be roughly around $40. And if you want the enhancements with the razor line, it's going to run you close to $50. If you want a massage, a 15-minute massage, some brothers have shoulder issues. We got the tools to put on the shoulders to make sure your massage go away, and then a hot towel. And the steam facial, that'll run you about $100. We call that the elite service. And the elite service is mainly for the brothers that mainly got it. The businessmen, the athletes, the professionals, and those that move and shake in the community. So if you want the elite service, come on down and get one. We're here to service you.
That's what I'm talking about. So talk about that, once the clippers go down, because I know my brother over right across the way, his name is Carl. Okay. He does other things outside of, that barber. And then I got to talking about you with the things that you do outside of that, man. Tell him a little bit about the extra talents you got too.
Okay, so I'm a music producer, music video director. I got podcasts. I do photo shoots, modeling. I like doing hair and makeup and editorial photo shoots. I'm a creative. I'm always on the go. I like DJing, DJ parties, weddings, events, team parties, business openings. If you want to get your business jumping and you need some clients, I can bring my DJ gear and get your stuff jumping. You have hundreds of clients. I'm all about marketing and promotion and cross marketing and promotion and making sure I help you.
I'm talking about he got it all. I'm about to ask you, what don't you do, bro?
I got degrees for everything I do. I got my cosmetology and barbering license. I got my educator's license. I got an associate's degree in radio and television broadcasting and an associate's degree in audio engineering and production management. Everything I love to do, I went to school for.
I'm talking about it. He's doing it. So, talk about that lifestyle of being, an entrepreneur who has different hats. How do you balance that out?
So the first way how you balance it out, first, do what you love to do every day. Every day I wake up, my heart area here is always warm. And so everything I put my hands to, I'm doing something I love. I can spend all day doing it and it don't feel like a job because I love doing it all the time. So the grind for being an entrepreneur mainly is being consistent, because when you're consistent, you produce results. And those results are measurable. It's called clear and measurable goals. When you make a clear and measurable goal, you can track that goal. And once you track that goal, you can adjust it, for the market that you're going after. So I understand target market. There's a target market every day when I wake up that I'm looking for. I'm looking for youth between the ages of 12 through probably 25, because those are the elementary school, the middle school, the high schoolers, and the college students, because that is the generation that's going to take over. So I'm all about trying to help them. And then I'm also going after the seasoned ladies, the 25, the 21 through 42-year-old, because those are the mover and shakers. Those are young ladies without children with careers, and those are also women with children that have responsibilities that are paying for their children's haircuts. And so I want to help service you guys and make sure y'all have a good quality service and a good quality haircut. And I'm here to help you.
Man, I'm talking about Eddie got the tagline. But I love how you said that. I know. I love how you know how to track that data and use that data to leverage the greatness of all the skills that you have. Talk about some of the challenges with being a barber and also an entrepreneur in those different areas.
Some of the challenges is some days some days it's not as fruitful as you would like. And there's a scripture in the Bible that says, speak those things that are not as though they were. So even though it's not as fruitful as I would like for that particular day, I'm praying and I'm sowing seeds so that way there's a huge harvest that comes in. So sometimes you have to see things further down the line. So today I might have had one client, and that's okay. I'm going to go grab a few more from the parking lot. I'm the man that's sitting down that don't have a haircut, who hair been long for years. I'm going to grab him, and I'm going to tell him, go bring somebody. I'm going to grab the pastor over there around the corner. They need a lineup. Hey, pastor, come over here. I got a free haircut for you. Sometimes you got to give it out for free and just let people know that you care. And once they know you care, they'll come back because they feel welcome. And once a person feels welcome, they don't mind sharing their funds with you because they can trust you. And once they trust you, you know you got a good bond. And so I'm here to service you.
Man, so where can we get all of these jewels, the freshest cuts, book you for DJing, get your sound production on point, because that is everything in the world of content creation, and also get that video done so I can get my promotion cracking.
Okay, so I got a hashtag you can look up. It's called #StylistJohn if you want to look up my work. I have a website, www.stylistjohn.com. You can hit my line, 314-359-5499. And my tag motto is, I can get you fly. Whatever the cut, whatever the style, whatever the braids.
Man, I appreciate you so much. It's your boy, VOTP News, always highlighting great people in the community. And as always, this is your voice in today's world.